The 15X PC will have 4 knives on the drum system that is going to allow a consistent end product coming out of the machine. What that means for you is at the end of the day, you can either recycle that with no extra fees, or you can resell that to the end user as a mulch back to their property. Through the hydraulic lift cylinder, that's going to allow you additional down pressure outside of our easy climb yoke springs. This lift cylinder, when pushed down, is going to send so much hydraulic pressure down onto the wood that you'll never have to fight the machine to put that material through. Bandit Industries has a patent on their feed system, which is going to allow the operator to open their feed system vertically up rather than horizontally, which increases your chances of being pulled in on the machine. With the horizontal feed wheels and the bigger drum on Bandit's units, you can send an entire top through a machine without having to make any unnecessary cuts. Bandit is the only manufacturer that can put this on their machine because of their patents on that, and that's going to allow the operator the easiest use of access on any machine in the industry.